But if you have your weekly bias to give you a clear intention, then just make sure your daily candle patterns are also targeting towards that direction. So what do I have here? After the break of structure of this candle breaking this structure, right, what you're expecting to see is this accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This will always happen, guys. This will always happen. Once you're having a clear bias, you don't really have to worry much about key levels anymore, right? So this is going to be a range low. All right, range low. This is going to be a range high. This shouldn't be a free stuff I'll be doing on YouTube, but if it's useful for you, my missions are accomplished, because feedback matters also. I want your feedback, so that's why I'm basically doing this video. Go on charts, check it out, but I'm very, very sure nobody will be watching this video to this very extent, so why do I really bother much? So this was the manipulation of the previous day. This was Thursday's candle, Friday manipulating, and then Monday tapping into the other block and straight to TP. Let me show that to you. Remember, you want to see CSD. If you don't have a CSD, no trade, right? So just like I said, this is the 1 hour time frame. This was Thursday, right? Thursday's candle close right here. Friday opens, manipulated Thursday's low, and then Friday closes with a change in state of delivery, right? Taking out this high. So once this high gets taken, you look for your other block at this QMR. You can take this QMR. If you take the QMR, fine. If you decide to take what's it called, morning star, do we have a morning star here? This is a little bit dicey. Yeah, we had a morning star, so it will be this bullish candle. Oh, that's way too far for my liking. Yeah, that was the morning star. So that was it. If you got your entry at 50% of the move, but what you want to target most of the time is always make sure you are getting 1:3, at least 1:3 out of the trade. Can you see that, guys? It works like magic. So there it is, what I always preach to you. We've gotten 1:3.6, 1:3.4. So that is going to be 1:7 risk to reward ratio trade plus 1:9. That is 1:16 risk to reward ratio trade. And as if that is not enough, just after Monday candle closed, what do we have? We have price taking out the low, right, and then rejecting the structural low. After the rejection, we go into the 1 hour time frame, right? Going to the 1 hour time frame, we want to see a change in state of delivery, and then want to mark our order block. But you have to be very, very careful at this point. Look at this was Monday candle close, Tuesday manipulating Monday and rejecting. Let me tag this range low, right? Range low. Tuesday manipulating Monday, and then giving a change in state of delivery just as the candle was about to close. This was the change in state of delivery, right? So this was going to be your order block, your Q